our workshop conductor, Cyril.
Now I really feel happy, and also I'm going with a good heart that the money that I invested or spent for this meeting is going to the community who are in need. Thank you for that.
That this program is going to happen. Immediately on the same day I enrolled it, and I am happy that I will be able to guide my passionate son who is looking forward to start the business. Thank you very much.